Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to keep your nails looking fresh and fabulous without the hassle of long salon appointments. Enter the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in French Heroic, a simple, stylish solution that promises a salon-quality manicure from the comfort of your own home. Now let's talk about what makes these press-on nails stand out. The Kiss imPRESS nails are designed to be an all-in-one solution. No glue, no mess, just peel, press, and go. These nails come with an improved adhesive for long-lasting wear, making them last up to 10 days. They're super easy to apply, even for someone with no nail art experience, which is a huge win for DIY enthusiasts like me. The French Heroic design is a classic look, light neutral nails with white tips, offering a clean, sophisticated French manicure that suits any occasion, from office meetings to weekend brunches. In terms of ingredients or formulation, we're dealing with nails that have been crafted with reverse dual injection technology. This is what helps the nails stay put and maintain their natural gel-like feel. The gel finish gives them a smooth, seamless look that mimics the appearance of your own nails with added durability. When I first tested these nails, I was curious about how they would hold up throughout the day. To be honest, I was a little skeptical about the no glue claim, but after trying them, I have to say that the adhesion is impressive. The nails stayed in place during normal daily activities, and they definitely feel comfortable. No lifting, no discomfort, and no weird edges. The Squoval shape also adds to the natural look, making them feel more like my actual nails, only with a polished finish. Plus, they didn't feel bulky or too thick. Another great feature is how easy it is to incorporate these into your beauty routine. I applied them in under 10 minutes, and there was no need for any additional tools or skills. The kit comes with everything you need: 30 press-on nails, a mini nail file, a prep pad, a manicure stick, and instructions, which makes it perfect for anyone looking for a quick manicure without the need for professional help. If you're in a rush or just not into spending hours at the salon, this is a fantastic option. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the imPRESS nails are incredibly easy to apply and feel lightweight and comfortable once on. The adhesive is strong and holds up well throughout the day, and the French design is timeless, making it suitable for just about any setting. The Squoval shape is another win. It's the perfect balance between oval and square, so it's flattering and easy to wear. On the downside, one potential con is that the set comes with a limited range of sizes. If you have smaller or larger nail beds, you might find that the fit isn't perfect for every finger. Additionally, while the adhesive is generally strong, it may not be ideal for those who need extra long-lasting nails for more than a week, or those who are especially hard on their hands. Now, when it comes to value for money, I'd say these press-on nails are definitely worth the price. Considering the convenience, ease of use, and the fact that you're getting 30 nails in the kit, it's a good deal for anyone looking to save time and money on salon visits. The adhesive and design quality make it stand out in a crowded market of press-on nails, especially when compared to other press-on options that may not last as long or offer the same level of comfort. As for alternatives, if you're on a budget or want a different style, brands like Dashing Diva or Static Nails offer similar press-on nail kits at competitive prices. These can sometimes come with fewer nails or have a slightly different adhesive formula, so it's worth checking out if you want to compare styles or prices. In terms of build quality, the imPRESS nails feel durable, and the packaging is efficient. Not too bulky, but everything you need is neatly included in the box. The longevity of the nails is great for short-term wear, but if you're someone who needs something extra durable, you might want to look for salon-quality gel nails or acrylics, as these press-ons are best suited for temporary use. So, would I recommend the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On nails? Absolutely. If you're looking for a fast, easy way to get a French manicure without the hassle of glue or a trip to the salon, these nails are a great option. They offer convenience, comfort, and a classic look that never goes out of style. They're perfect for anyone who needs a no-fuss solution to achieve a polished, professional look in minutes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for a link to purchase the product. If you've used these press-on nails or have your own tips for applying them, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.